The next part, we are going to try to crack password for an SSH private key or the passphrase of a private SSH key. So I'm going to navigate to the SSH folder, and we have a private SSH key here. Let's see if we can read what is inside. And you can see it's a beginning of a private key. So we want to get the passphrase of this particular key because it has a passphrase for security purposes so that no one can use it. So we want to see if we can be able to obtain the password of that particular SSH file. I'll go to Gemini and ask it how can Okay, so I'm prompting it how to crack SSH encrypted private key. Let's see what it will come back with. And with that, we are able to get the results. So cracking the passphrase of an encrypted SSH key is it's very similar to cracking passwords in the protected zip files. Okay. So it's the same process. Then the process involves using specialized tools to extract the encrypted data in the hash format and then using the password cracker like John the Ripper to find the passphrase. So it's the same process as the one we did with the zip files and the RAR files. So for here, we are going to use a tool called SSH to John, then redirect that particular hash to a file, and then use that particular hash that has been generated we are going to crack the hash that has been generated using John. Okay, you can see all this here. So let's do that. So I'll jump back to this part. Then I'm going to say SSH to John. Then the name of our file was IDRSA. Then I'm going to save it to SSH-hash. Then if we cut the SSH hash file, you can see it has been able to generate a hash. So let's try and see if we can get the passphrase of this particular private SSH key. So I'm going to say John. I'll recycle the command that we used previously, but the output file will be different. So SSH hash. And it has started cracking. Let's see if we can get the password. Yeah, and we can see we have been able to obtain the password.